Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2021 GLE 53 AMG Coupe. This one's a Designo diamond white metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 429 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has the night package with a black exterior trim, 22-inch AMG wheels, turbo 4MATIC plus badging on the side, black exclusive Napa leather interior with a natural grain gray oak wood trim, panorama sunroof, ambient lighting, rear spoiler, AMG GLE 53 badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, Distronic Plus, heads-up display, warmth and comfort package with heated and cooled seats, also include Burmeister sound system, AMG illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, suede and leather steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors. Also comes with MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." "Hey, my Mercedes."
How may I help you?
"Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to give it voice commands, dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns or different driving functions, exhaust, suspension, traction control, and manual. This GLE 53 AMG Coupe has 34,622 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 AMG Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.